Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to cancel Capcut subscription on app. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application on your phone. Then locate and click on Me at the bottom right. After that, click on View Details under Pro. Now once you click on View Details, locate and click on Manage on Pro. So this will allow you to manage your Capcut Pro account. Then go ahead and click on the Manage button. Once you click on the Manage button, you'll be taken to the Capcut Plans and Billing. Now, to cancel your subscription, go ahead and click on Cancel Subscription. Then spot that says Secure your Pro rate, Keep Auto Renewal or Cancel Auto Renewal. Then go ahead and click on Cancel Auto Renewal. Once you click on that, hang on for the Capcut Pro account or plan to be cancelled. Then it should say your subscription is cancelled. Now, if you click on Manage, then it should say that your subscription is cancelled. You can go ahead and restore your subscription if you want to, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to cancel TikTok app subscription. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.